I've wanted to make this video for a long time, but I kept putting it off. Every time I thought about it, something else got in the way. But today, it's finally happening. One day I was sitting at my desk, getting ready to install Windows 11. Minutes passed, and I kept clicking next, 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 until I reached the critical moment. Please enter a Microsoft account. I didn't have one at the time, and I didn't want to create one just to use my own computer. I stared at the screen, reflecting on my situation, wondering how I got here. For years, I had considered switching to Linux. I had tried it multiple times between 2015 and 2020, but each time I went back to Windows for some random game or a program I thought I couldn't live without. At that moment, I had enough. I decided that this would be the last time I dealt with Microsoft's restrictions. I temporarily went back to Windows 10 just to research the best way to switch to Linux in 2023. I watched dozens of videos, read articles, and finally found the perfect distribution for me. It was easy to install, somewhat similar to Windows, and any issue I might face had a readily available solution online. I downloaded the distro, used Rufus to flash it onto a USB, and made sure all my important files were backed up. Then, I said goodbye to Windows forever. Now, after a year of using Linux, what have I accomplished? I played GTA 5, The Witcher 3, and even Cyberpunk without issues, thanks to Proton and Lutris. I installed mods on almost all my games without any difficulties. I no longer needed Microsoft Office, as using LibreOffice or even Google Docs was more than enough for me. I enjoyed complete flexibility, customized my desktop entirely to fit my style, changed icons, themes, and even how the system functioned. I watched movies seamlessly and downloaded any content I needed effortlessly. I edited my videos using DaVinci Resolve and tweaked images in GIMP. GIMP may not be a perfect replacement for Photoshop, but it serves me well enough. The bottom line? Anyone can use Linux, and it might actually be the best choice for you. No random updates forcing you to wait, no annoying features suddenly thrown at you, and when you buy your own PC, you won't have to pay extra for an operating system or risk using an unlicensed version of Windows. You can use Linux however you like. Whether you just want a stable operating system or you want to tweak every part of it, the choice is yours. You don't even need to use the terminal if you don't want to. You can install programs and play Steam games without ever touching the command line. If you need me to explain anything, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. See you soon.